Okay, I decided today was a riding day, Saturday, August 3rd. So I wrote down here to, I'd rode Needles Highway and Iron Mountain Road already. I'm on Iron Mountain Road right now. I just stopped to have a quick bite to eat. Now I'm just sitting here and watching the bikes go by and relaxing for a little bit. And I'm also recording the rides, and I've been having issues with the cameras. For some reason, the Hero 8 was cutting out. I have a power bank that's connected to both cameras, the 7 and the 8, the forward-facing and also the rear-facing. And for some reason the 8 was cutting out, and at first I thought maybe it was overheating because it was so hot out, but then I figured it out is it's because the battery is when the vibration, it kind of wiggles out a little bit and it cuts off the power, and it turns it off, of course. And so I'm gonna, because when I have the cord plugged into the camera, from the power bank, I have to take that little door off that goes over the, where the battery compartment is. I have to take that off, and that's not holding there to hold the battery in place, tightly in there. So I'm gonna have to figure out some way to secure that so the battery stays in there nice and snug, and so it won't cut out anymore. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine then, but otherwise, let's take and watch. Got a line of bikes coming from that direction right now. Go by. From that direction, and kind of a fun place to sit and watch them go by both directions. Right at that place where the road splits. Right, going that direction, the road splits. But other than that, I don't have really any other plans today. I might stop in at Sturgis and get another shirt here, kind of similar to this one, sleeveless. I got this one last year, but it was not sleeveless, so I cut the sleeves off and kind of frayed the edge right there. But the ones that they have for sale this year are already sleeveless, so I wouldn't have to do that. But I'm not sure yet. Like $40. I'm not sure if I want to spend that yet. I'll play that by ear. But anyways, I'm probably not going to be doing much anything else today. But I don't know. We'll see. So I'm just going to sit here for a little bit longer, then get the camera set up and go take and do some riding and get some riding footage. And those videos will be going on my riding and driving channels. I have two riding and driving channels. One is riding and driving, the other is riding and driving 2. So they're both kind of similar, except the riding and driving is 2 is forward facing only, and there's no commentary, no talking. It's just the sound of the bike and the forward facing only. So anyways, okay, I'm just going to sit here and relax for a little bit while and talk to you later. All right, it's pretty late at night now. I'm about to head to bed, and today I really didn't do much besides ride. Of course, just that one stop at when I had that picnic. Ever since then, after that, I got the cameras working, and they worked perfect. They filmed like over 2 hours worth of filming non-stop. I made it all the way back to Sturgis and went up and down Main Street a couple times before they finally, I think, overheated because they both turned off. I think because when it wasn't out on the highway anymore, and the wind, helped keep them cool. But anyways, got that working, so that was good. So other than that, I didn't do anything else. I decided not to get, I was thinking about getting that shirt, but I decided not to do that today. I was just so hot and everything. So I just came back to camp and just hanging around here. So anyways, tomorrow I'm going to be heading out again somewhere. So anyways, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.